Today we will be testing the range, filter, and labels indicator. Before we do, if you have not watched the first videos on the channel and the videos after that, you need to go do that now. Here at the Academy of Forex, we are building the best trading system possible as a team. You can find a link down below to sign up for TradingView. If you use that link, you'll save a little bit of money on your account. You can also find a link below to join us on Discord. If you are interested in a full list of all the indicators and strategies that we have tested along with their win rates, you can sign up for our Patreon. And you will receive a full list of all the indicators and strategies that we have tested. You can find a link to our Patreon down below in the description. We also have a Patreon-only exclusive Discord channel where we will give you a list of winning indicators, a list of winning strategies, post trade ideas, give advanced advice, and much more. So click the link below to join our Patreon. Alright, as I said, today we will be testing the range, filter, and labels indicator. Before we do though, I wanted to put the testing scoreboard up for everyone to see. So to date, we have tested a total of 97 different strategies, with 28 of them being winners. The best one so far was able to achieve an 84% win rate. We have also tested a total of 914 indicators, with 382 of them being winners. The best ones so far were able to achieve a 100% win rate. Now you need to go back and watch those videos to understand the context of how they were able to achieve that. So go back and watch those videos and see what you can get out of those winning indicators. We've also retested in the advanced testing 106 of the winning indicators. 38 of them have been able to maintain the winning status, the best to a 76% win rate. Now, if you're interested in a full list of these indicators and strategies along with their win rates, we've compiled all that information into spreadsheets, which you will get when you become a patron of the channel. Keep in mind that we test most of these indicators and strategies on the Forex and crypto market, but they can be applied to just about any market and time frame universally. Okay, so today we are testing the range, filter, and labels indicator. And so the source video for this claims that it is one of the best buy-sell signals on TradingView. We've heard that claim made many times before. And it also made mention of a new strategy with a 100% win rate. Now, obviously, we know that no strategy or indicator is going to give a 100% win rate all the time. That at some point they are going to take a loss. And so obviously we know that that claim write-off is a little bit false and misleading. And so, but nonetheless, the source video does outline a strategy using this range filter indicator with two other indicators. But I figured what we would do is test the range filter indicator first and put the claim that it is the best buy-sell signal indicator on TradingView, put that to the test, and then maybe in a few days I'll do a video on the full strategy. And so the indicator itself you can see here on screen. I did go in and I did turn off the bar coloration. And you can see that we get these buy and sell signals like the source video claims. And of course, when we get a buy signal, we are going to go long. When we get a sell signal, we are going to go short. And so that's how we're going to test it today. Let's go ahead and get on with the testing and see what we can get out of it. Alright, so the first signal that we pick up is a buy signal. You can see here we get that buy tag right there. We made a little bit of a push to the upside there, but it wasn't quite enough to get us to our take profit before we then rolled over and make this push to the downside, which does come down and stop us out. So let's go ahead and continue on. All right, the next signal that we pick up is a sell signal. Again, you can see we get that sell tag right there. We get a push to the downside, a little bit of a retracement here that didn't really get close to our stop, and then it rolls over and makes a push to the downside. That definitely gets us to our take profit. Let's go ahead and continue on. Right, so we pick up another buy signal right here on that one, and you can see we pretty much immediately roll over and make this push to the downside. We got a little bit of wicks to the upside here, but they surely didn't get even close to our take profit before they pushed down, stopping us out from that buy. So what I'm going to do now is just go ahead and fast forward through the rest of the testing. That way things don't get too long, and we'll pick this up when we are at the end of the year. Alright, so that puts us at the end of the testing right there. Before we take a look at what this was able to achieve, if you are looking for a profitable trading strategy, I highly suggest you check out the best strategy that we have tested on the channel here. It was able to achieve an 84% win rate. I'll put a screenshot up of the thumbnail to that video right now. I'll link to it up in the corner, and I'll also link to it at the end of this video with that same thumbnail. Like I said, it is a highly profitable trading strategy, was able to achieve an 84% win rate. It uses one of our custom indicators that we've developed here on the channel, as well as a TradingView indicator, and all around it is a wonderful trading strategy. I highly recommend you check that out. And so there is a lot of benefits to becoming a patron of the channel. I highly recommend it. Alright, so let's go ahead and take a look at our indicator here. Get this in focus. Let's go ahead and count these out and see what we have. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. So we have 9 trades all together, and we have 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So that barely misses the 60% criteria that we were looking for. Definitely thought this one was going to give us a win, but you can see that it kept throwing these buy signals right as we were just getting this retracement and a continuation to the downside, retracement, continuation to the downside, retracement, and a continuation to the downside. And so if it hadn't have been for these losing trades here, obviously we would have had a significantly better win rate. But as far as the best buy sell signal on TradingView, I'm still not 100% convinced. Obviously it didn't meet our criteria on here, but I'd be interested in seeing what the video outlines as far as a full strategy using this indicator and the other ones, and maybe they make some tweaks to the settings and stuff like that that gives it a little bit better kind of feedback. And so we'll see once I do that video, but for now it's going to go on the no list, and we will move on to the next video from here.